Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to install TikTok on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to install TikTok on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open Microsoft Edge. Reminder guys, you can't use any other web browsers, you must only use Microsoft Edge in order for this to work. And once you're on your Microsoft Edge, next, I want you to go to the TikTok website, so just search this right here. And now that you are on the website, let me now show you how you can download the app. So to do that, first, I want you to click this 3 dots right here. And after clicking it, next, I want you to select the apps option. And after that, you will now be able to see the install TikTok option right here. Just go and click it. And then just click the install button to start installing the app. And after that, it's done. Your TikTok will now be installed. And by the way guys, you might notice that even installing TikTok, you might still not find the app on your desktop home screen. So to fix that, just go back to your TikTok. And once you're on TikTok, I want you to click this 3 dots at the top. And then select App Settings. And then for the last step, just click this Create Desktop Shortcut button to add the app on your desktop home screen. And after clicking it, it's done. Congratulations, your TikTok app will now be on your desktop home screen. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.